Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. Mohanlal purchased an old scooter for 12,000 rupees and spent 2,850 on its overhauling. Then he sold it to his friends Sohanbir for 13,860 rupees. How much percent did he gain or loss? You find the gain or loss percentage. Here he purchased 12,000 and spends for overhauling is 2,850. So he sold for 13,860. Let's see the solution. Cost price of the scooter is 12,000 and overheads, that means repairs this scooter is 2,850 rupees. So total cost price is these two or the addition. So total cost price is 14,850. So selling price is equal to 13,860. So since selling price is less than the cost price, so Mohanlal marks a loss. So loss is equal to 14,850 minus 13,860. The minus is 990 rupees. So loss percentage. Loss percent means loss by total cost into 100. Total cost into 100. Loss percent. So loss is 990 by total cost price is 14,850 into 100. Here 0 0 will be cancels. 5 cancels 2 times, 5 cancels 297 times. Here 990 is cancels in 3 table, 99 times, 330 times. Here again cancel in 3 table, 333 is 3 110 times. So again 11 table, 11 3 is there and 11 10 0. So 10 by 3 is equal to 10 by 3. And again you divide with 10 in 3. 3 3 is there. 10 by 3 into here 2. So 2 10s are 20 by 3. 20 by 3 is divided. So 3 divides 20. 3 6 are 18. So remainder is 2. Coefficient is 6. So 6 2 by 3% is lost. Lost percent is 6 2 by 3%. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.